Hello guys, this is Sherry from Japan's Lojistik. Yes, it's me again. 2020 was the most extraordinary year and one that probably changed the overall landscape of the international logistics industry. When the epidemic first occurred in China during the Chinese New Year in 2020, the entire international logistics market entered the second half of 2020 with three situations of a very special nature. The first is that container export freight rates increased significantly. The second is numerous routes were bursting at the seams and lacking containers. The third is that sharp decline in the rate of permitted flights. There are many variations of the epidemic, but it has also objectively contributed to some fundamental change in the industry. The first is that shipping companies, freight forwarders, and other industry chain players speed up the pace of digitalization. The second is cargo owners have a strong demand for standardized service and certainty service. The third is that the statute of Made in China has been further strengthened, building a solid foundation for the international logistics market. After 3 years of the unpredictable epidemic, in the future, overseas specialized and overseas warehouse mode will become the mainstream of international logistics development. Okay, it is worth mentioning that our company is mainly engaging in the double clearance tech line of Nigeria, Ghana, Togo, Dubai, and Saudi Arabia, with 12 years of experience in logistics. I hope there will be more opportunities to have more discussion and exchange with you in the future. I wish you all a fruitful new year and a brand new future. Thank you all. Oh, by the way, don't forget to subscribe to our channel as well as click the share. Thank you. Bye bye.